Hello KJ Techers! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're replacing a Fire 7 9th generation screen. Look everybody, this screen is broken. So, let's get into it.
Now what you want to do is take your plastic pry tool and remove the back cover. Make sure to do this real carefully. There we go. Now what you want to do is remove the screen, but the screen has adhesive. So you want to put the screen on a heating pad to loosen up the adhesive. So turn it on, put it on tablet mode, and let it warm up for about a minute. Now that our timer has gone off, take your metal pry tool and remove the screen. So, turn it off. And let's see if the adhesive is melted. Don't worry, if the screen cracks, that's okay. Sometimes you have to use your heating pad more than once to get the adhesive that's on your screen. Now, let's clean the base. Just gotta make sure that there's no more glue. Now, let's put the screen back on. So we have to screw 5 screws. Now, let's put a little adhesive around the base. Now, gently press the screen down. Now, let's connect all our cables and put the screws back in. Now, let's put the back cover on and turn this baby on. So, all you gotta do is snap it gently. Make sure it's on there good. Alright, once you snapped it, now let's turn this baby on.
Hello guys! You see the before and after? That means that this screen replacement was a success. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you guys later. Bye bye!